It's your girl, yeah, you already know what it is. It's the Chrissy J Show. We live every Thursday. Tune in. Buddha bless this beat.
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out. Whole pointers round my neck, looking like a lighthouse. Little nigga pipe down, chopper make it pipe down. Running man, catch me if you can. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me.
Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy J, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do a simple, classic, and basic beat, college edition. Again, I am not an MUA. I don't know all the names of the techniques and the different types of brushes. I use different types of products ranging from cheap to expensive. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it, and I hope you guys like it. Again, if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's my dorm. It looked cuter before, but the RA took the lights. But let's get into the tutorial now, okay? Alright, so let's get into it. First things first, I prime my skin with Urban Decay De-Slick Primer. This is really good for people with super duper oily skin like myself. So we just dab a little bit on, you feel me? Dab. Get your nose, get your eyelids, get your forehead, just do everything. But make sure you guys blend it in, because if you guys don't, it'll kind of look powdery at the end. So just make sure you blend that in. So I already did my eyebrows prior to this part and I forgot to record it, but I'll just do like a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows later on. But anyway, keep priming, you know, blend it in and everything. Make sure you're nice and even and matte. Boom. Okay, let's get it. Yeah. So then after I put my primer on, I'm going to take my Lower Mercier. Where's it at? Right there. Feel me? In the color of medium deep, because that's the darkest one they have. And I'm just going to put a little bit all over my face just to make sure I have that matte, flawless finish at the end. It is really good for keeping your skin super matte if it's super oily. So I'm going to just put some all over.
Only bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches only.
Alright, so then after I take my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, which is my favorite foundation right now, in the color of Deep 74 Warm, and I just put a few squeezes onto my hand. Then after, I'm going to take my foundation brush, and then I'm going to take my satin spray, which is All Nighter by Urban Decay. I want to spray them on my brush and apply. Guys, make sure you apply this foundation a little bit fast, because it oxidates super quick and it's really full coverage. So, you know, you don't want it to blot up on just one part of your skin. So just after that, you just beat that in, and then that's that.
The narcs, dogs bark in the kick the door, no narcs in. Living a wild life, think I am Tarzan. I took your broad again, she wanna come with the stars again.
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced.
Alright guys, so now it's time to conceal. I use 3 different types of concealer, so try to keep up with me. That's because my skin is not just one tone. But first, I start off with my Shade Take concealer in the color of Rich, and I just add a little bit to my hand. Then after, I get my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color of Chestnut, and I add a little bit. And then finally, to top everything off, I use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color of NC45, and I mix them all together. And guys, I'll put the prices and like the names of it in the description. But yeah, I just basically mix them all together. I conceal under my eyes, I conceal on my chin, my nose, and right in the middle of my eyebrows. And then yeah.
Killer, Houston, Texas, now we're killer. 5 bitches in the mirror, told her take a 10 with her. She bring a team with her, bring the blue and green, looking at my
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out. Whole pointers round my neck, looking like a lighthouse. Nigga pipe down, chopper make it pipe down. Running man, catch me if you can. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me, bad bitches only, bad bitches.
Alright Alright guys, so then after you take a beauty blender, and guys, please don't judge me, I was playing in makeup earlier, that's why my beauty blender looks like that. But then I just spray some more setting spray on it, and I just blend it in. Blend, blend, blend. You need to dab, dab, dab. Like, dab on them. Yeah.
Bless this beat.
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out, whole pointers round my neck, looking like a lighthouse. Little nigga pipe down, chopper make it pipe down. Running man, catch me if you can. Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me, bad bitches.
Alright guys, so after that it is time to bake. I'm going to take my Mercier setting powder again in the color of medium deep, and then after I'm just going to take one of my brushes, I don't know what you call them, but one of those brushes that you use to put powder on your face, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and just everywhere that I basically concealed.
Get it on their own, they don't have to ask you bitches. Get it. Posting pictures on the gram and at you bitches. Secure the back lifestyle.
Alright, so again, after I take that damp beauty blender from earlier, spray it again with some more setting powder, and just kind of go over it again with the translucent powder over all them same spots that were concealed from earlier.
Blow that deal, we in the field, yeah. Spread them bills, lay it still, on that lip. Never see with the shears, AP shit the gears.
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out, whole pointers round my neck, looking like a lighthouse.
Alright, I'm about to put y'all on. So, oops. Wrong glue. So while I bake, I love to apply my lashes, and yes, I use hair glue from the beauty supply store. It works, guys. It really sticks on. But let me find my lashes first, and then I'll show you guys how I apply that. Anytime now, Chrissy. Anytime now. Sorry, but alright, I use my Ardell Wispies in the style of natural, and then I just apply some of that hair glue, yes, hair glue to the lashes, and then I put it on. But before I put my lashes on, I always use my mascara to just give my lashes a little, plump so it can match with the glue and the eyelashes, and I use the Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. So yeah, after I apply that, I put on that hair glue, and then I put my lashes on the lash line. Don't ever say I never put y'all onto anything. That is my favorite #1 beauty trick. I have still yet to find any other lash glue that works just as good as that. But yeah, put the, glue on the lash strip, apply, and that's how I put on my lashes.
Bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me.
Take out bad bitches on me, only bad bitches want me. Hold up with the bad bitches, look at all the side bitches. 100 to 200 on the dash, smash niggas. Now who want it, cause we running, ain't no question, ass niggas.
Guys, so now my lashes are applied. It's time to wipe off some of this translucent powder. So I just take another one of those brushes, and I just swipe away.
Buddha bless this beat.
AP on me iced out, tennis chains iced out, whole pointers round my neck, looking like a lighthouse. Little nigga pipe down, chopper make it pipe down. Running man, catch me if you can. Bad
Alright, so after that's done, I'm just going to take some mascara, and this is my Stilla Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. It's always good to use 2 different types of mascara to elongate your lashes, falsies or real. And then I'm just going to apply that to just make sure that my real lashes are meshing with my falsies.
Bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me.
Bad bitches and I know some savage bitches.
Alright, so after that's done, I take my NYX No Filter, No Sands filter in the color of NFFP14, and I'm just going to take one of my brushes and just go all around my face just to make sure it meshes in with my hairline, just to give it that finishing, total matte, super, long-lasting brown chocolate look.
On that lip, never see with the shears, AP shit the gears.
AP on on me, iced
So
out.
then after, I'm going to take that Better Than Sex mascara and apply it to my bottom lash line, just so I can get that extra natural popping look, basically.
Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches on me, bad bitches only, bad bitches on me, bad bitches only, bad bitches on me. Hit 'em for me.
Alright, so now it's time for my favorite part. Watch out for me, I'm about to glow. Let's get it using my Anastasia Glow Kit, the Sundipped palette. I like to mix, the two highlights. So I'm going to dust it off, take my highlighting glow brush, right? And I'm going to be using the colors Summer and Moonstone. Sorry, my light was not helping my camera adjust to that. Let me see. All right, there it is. Boom. But I'm going to be taking, again, the colors Summer and Moonstone, and I'm going to be mixing them to give me a super golden, beautiful popping look. So, again, I'm just going to be applying that highlight to, wow, look at that glow. What? Look at that glow. So, I'm going to be taking the highlight and just applying it to my cheekbones, my nose, and under and above my eyebrows.
Bad bitches on me, bad bitches only, bad bitches on me, bad bitches only.
Alright, so after, I'm going to be taking a brown liner. I can't remember what specific number it is, but I'll place it in the description, and I'm going to be outlining my lips, and then I'm going to be taking my favorite lip gloss, which is my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I'm going to be putting that all over. Love that lip gloss.
Double cup codeine killer, Houston, Texas, now a killer. Bad bitches in the mirror, told her take.
So finally, I take again my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and I apply to my face. Then after, I dry, and that's how you get this basic college everyday look.
Bitches on me, bad 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 bitches on me.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's basically my tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys did like it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Comment, share, subscribe. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother. Tell everybody. And again, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope I was somewhat helpful. I know I'm not a professional MUA, but again, this is just me being me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.
Bad bitches on me, 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 bad bitches on me. Hit her for a minute, then I pass her to the homie. Hit her for a minute.